So this is my pretty client. So that was her first appointment, and she was sending me reviews about how much she loves her hair and how her hair and curls are still popping, and I love that for her, and I love that for me as well. So initially, her first appointment, she did color 4 and color 30, but for this one, she wanted color 1B and 30 because she wanted the 30 to like pop more. So for example, if you do color 4 and 30, right, the 30 is there, but you're not really seeing that much of a difference because the color transition from 4 to 30 is really not that like deep, because color 4 is really not like dark, it's like sandy and like brownish, like light brown basically. But and then color 30 is, you know, something around there as well, just a little bit lighter and stuff. So if you're trying to get a color pop, 4 and 30 would not be a good color pop. But if you want to do, but then that's the reason why she actually chose color 1B and 30. That way she can see her 30 more. And then yeah, she did the same length, the same size, the same everything, the same bundles count, but just different color. But honestly, when I'm having a bad day and I just get like random text or random email or random call and random comments about like the hair that I use, and you know, people that are getting the products and getting the curls, and they tell me, you know, best hair ever, or they really, really love it so much, and they've had it for this long or that long, or they got stopped by people at the mall. It makes me so, so happy. And usually these comments comes when I'm like down, like I'm just like stressed from like work and school and business, and just emotionally I'm just like stressed and down, and I just get like text or like comments like this. It does make me very, very happy. So yeah, I'm just, you know, wanted to just mention that. So we're doing color 1B and 30, mid back, large size mid back length, and we use 3 bundles for this hairstyle. I used 2 bundles of the 1B and then 1 bundle of the 30. Again, for your mid back, as I mentioned in my previous videos, for the mid back, I would recommend between 18 inches, 20 inches, or 22 if you must, right? If you want like a very nice layered look. But 20 inches alone will do that for you. 18 inches alone will do that for you. You can mix. So I meant you can mix 18 and 20 inches, okay? So don't think too deep about it. Just, you know, do what works best for you and then see how you like it. But as long as you get 18 inches or 20 or 22, you should be fine for sure. If you want a fuller look for a mid back, I'll recommend 3 bundles. But if you want it to be crazy full and nice and thick, 4 bundles, of course. So just think about it like, you know, doing a sewing. How many bundles do you need for a sewing, right? Just think about it that way, and then you'll be able to figure out how many bundles you need for your braid. But yeah, for most of my clients, you know, they'll tell me the only reason why they took out their hair is because, you know, their roots was probably growing and they had like a different color from their natural color. So for me, for example, I've had my hair, don't judge me, but I've had mine for like 4 months now, and that's because I've just been super, super, super busy. I just realized how crazy busy I don't even have the time to pay somebody to get it, to take it down for me. That's how busy I am. So I started, but I just got so busy. But I need to take it down because I need to do something different. But yeah, and because I did color 1B, it doesn't really look that bad. I'll probably just like swoop like a nice edge control and I'm good to go. But if your natural hair is like 1B and then you do like color 27 for the curls, clearly when your hair grows out, they can actually see like your, you know, your natural hair like growing and stuff. So that might prompt you to take down your hair earlier. But if you do like, you know, black, I think that can last way longer for you, because when your roots grows out, you're fine. Just swoop the edge control, put it up in a bun, do something, and you'll be good to go. But yeah, that's all. Let me know if you have any specific questions, and don't forget to check out my Instagram. Trust me, my Instagram has all the details. Look at the captions. It has what you're looking for. It has the size, the length, the color, every single thing that you need to, you know, plan accordingly or know how many bundles to use for a specific look. But yes, if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and also share my video. And thanks for the support so far. Really, really grateful. And I'll be seeing you guys in my next video.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. He's body baby, oh. He's body baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel late, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, girl, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man here, wine I'm through the beat. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Tell me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. Your friends they tell you say I beat nobody. Been searching all around but I found nobody. Call on me, I go give you all of me. Baby make you follow me. I go give you all of me. Omo Sean say she moving to the baseline. The way she a wine make a man wanna praise the wine. She a gypsy girl, she a fine like the sunrise. The way she move make a man cry. I'm feeling her so I wanting her more. That me low, tell me what you want to know. Me I no go lose control. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. That me low, tell me what you want to know. I go give you all and more. Bad man I feel your flow, wine I'm slow. This one will be private show. You don't know. Vicky's bad man point the instrumental, giving them one time. It's okay. Bad man till they take you there. Pull up. Bad man finna gone away. It's okay. Bad man finna take you there. Pull up. Original.
Just say no. Just say
Body nice. See I got them here, them are moving right. See the girls, them a got me hypnotized. Them a make a bad man feel alright. Ooh, yeah. Man I tell her me she go low. Say you gonna get me when I'm all low. Man I tell her me she go low. Bad man I put you in a photo. Count down, she a put me on a rundown. Go down, she a give me on a low now. Go now, anywhere you wanna go now. Bad man, me a put you on a first class.
no. Just say yeah.
So baby, what you gonna do? Calling all your friends when they come through. So you give me your number one I control. So you really meant for the girls when they come through. Bad man, say she want, say she really want, say she try to be the one. Calm down, take it slow. Say the girl, let me come in on me yard, them a give me low. If you tripping, let me know what you really want. Is it riding with me or you really dirt? Them a girls, them a tell me that you really not. Make up your mind, let me know if you really
Just say
got.
no. Just say
Bad man, turn up the vibe. Bad man, turn up the vibe. Original bad man, turn up the vibe. 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 Bad man, turn up the vibe.
It's fake hills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that. Where you move that, touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Pour me out, say she give me pour me out. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girls them a whining, them me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, them me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pour me out, see me pour me out. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Man a wine, say she give me for me out. Say enter the radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar, girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's fake hills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them are watching. They are pretty about them. Bad man, what you say? Standard.
It's fake hills.
Original, puffing on me high grade, sipping on me liquor. Girls them a come, them a want, them a take her. Bad man, me a come in, me a wanna take her. Girls them a come, them a want it on the nigga. I steady sipping on my liquor. Then I tell her me she give her never trust another nigga. I say she give me on the nigga. Say she feeling on the nigga. Say she want another nigga. I who's that? Baby, tell me who's that? Look back, baby, make you look back. I move that, where you move that. Touch that, baby, me just wanna touch that. Enter me radar, now you they mash up the place. Enter me radar, girl, you are what's in me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel like my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. pon me yard, say she give me pon me yard. In a yard, say she give me in a yard. Man a wine, say she give me dirty wine. Man a grind, say she give me dirty wine. Say, girl, say my whining, let me grinding, I don't think so. Any man, let me looking at the thing so. Girl, your body say your money while I sing so. Man a bad, man a bossing at the thing so. Girl, pon me yard, see me pon me yard. Me na pillow wine, say she give me filler wine. Say let me the villa wine, say she give me film wine. Aye. Man a wine, say she give me pon me yard. Say enter the radar. Now you they mash up the place. Enter the radar. Girl, you are what see me brain. The only special one for me. Now you be the only one I see. Anywhere I go, I wanna be. Girl, you feel up my fantasy. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat. Let's have a good time. Baby, I'ma make you sweat.
It's Feet Kills.
Right, we finna have a good time, you know. Them bomb like them and watch it. They're pretty up